Want to know how to install a wall-mounted coat rack?
Yes!
It is so easy, especially with this coat rack hack. And at the end of the video, I'll share a featured blooper. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump right into the project. I already removed the small 2-hook coat rack that was there before, and I'm going to use this one to cover those holes, so that will determine my height. First, you want to measure how high you would like your coat rack to be. And in my case, how far do I want it away from the door trim? At my mother's request, she wanted this coat rack about 5 inches from the door trim. Then you will need to measure the distance between the edge of the coat rack and the center of the screw hole. For me, it comes out to be about 7/8 of an inch. So now I have my measurement of 5 7/8 to mark my screw hole from the door trim. What makes this installation super easy is by using this Hang O Matic multi-functioning measuring tool. This is not sponsored at all. I found it, I love it, and I use it all the time. It has a level, measuring tape, and a hole marker all in one device. To get the measurement between the holes, you're just going to place the black points in each hole. Remember to lock your tape measure in place to keep an accurate measurement. Then slide the bubble in the middle to keep you level. Once you are in position, you're going to press those black points into the wall so you can mark it. The dots are super small, so I would have a pencil handy to be able to circle it just so you can see it easier when you switch your tools. The next step is optional. I always prefer to pre-drill my holes with a drill bit, like a 16, just so I will have a straight shot with my screw. I don't really have to worry about it going in crooked. I forgot my 12-volt screw gun, which would have been so much easier, so I had to use my parents' huge corded drill. This is way more power than I actually needed for this. Since I'm hanging this without a helper, I went a step further and drilled the screw into the wall a little bit so it will be seamless when I try to hang it up with the coat rack. If you guys are getting any value, please hit the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Then screw in one side, but don't screw it in all the way. Keep it loose so you can swing the rack over to screw in the other side, and then tighten each screw somewhat evenly until you're all done. Question of the day. Do you have a tool in your toolbox that makes your projects a lot easier? Please comment below and share it so everyone can learn. And here's the finished project. It went up so easily thanks to Hang O Matic. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can click the card right up here, or click right here for what YouTube suggests is best for you. And reminder to watch the blooper at the end, and I will see you guys next week. Want to know how to install a wall-mounted coat rat?